So hello folks, today we're doing a deck inspection and I wanted to share with you a few things. This is a new deck that they got up here and it looks like you could definitely see it's a do-it-yourselfer, but some of the things I wanted to share with you is look at our screws. Now I love the screws. They work real well in here, but see how that is actually, they're not countersunk. This is a brand new deck. So naturally my wood is going to shrink. See that? I got several of them right here. My wood is going to shrink, and when it shrinks, these screw heads are going to literally come back, be protruding up. They will cut your feet up whenever you walk on it after, give it a year. Big problems. I also wanted to share with you here too, real quick, while I got you, my stairs. Now you see, they're just like 3.5 inches, you know, and up, rise. And so that's what you call a rise from there, then up, and then over. And so, but them are trip hazards. They should be, you could have easily just put one step in here and make it a 7-inch rise or thereabouts, and that would have made it so it's safer and not a trip hazard. One last thing I wanted to share with you is my post. See, my posts are sitting on concrete, okay? I don't have any idea how deep the piers are. So we come on down here. Every one of them is like that. We'll come down to this one because it's a little bit better to see. But you see, now these are supposed to be protruding up from the ground. When we'd like to see them at least 6 inches or more up high up off the ground. Reason is the snow's going to sit on here, absolutely, and then this is going to be rusting out here, and it's going to lose our support post right here, and our bracing is all going to be rotted out and rusting. And yes, it is treated wood, but even treated wood deteriorates. Well, folks, thank you for watching our videos. I hope this has been helpful. And if we could ever be of service to you, give us a call. Galloway Building Services. We're here to make sure the job's done right, you're not getting ripped off, and you're getting what you paid for. Sadly, these folks didn't get any of the above. Have a great day.